Okay, children, look here. In this exercise, we are going to factorize, okay, the trinomial. Okay, that's we can do trinomial one. And in such case, how to factorize, I am going to teach you here. Everybody look here. In the first question, it is asking there, find the values of m and n in each of the following cases. Okay, in each of the following cases. I have taken here some of the examples only. Okay, this one. I have taken here some of the examples only. Here, the question is asking there, look here. M n means what? The product of two numbers. M into n. This is okay. That I asked you. Product of two number is 20. And product of those two number is 20. And the sum is what there? 9. 9. Okay. The question is asking, what are the two numbers whose product is 20 and sum is 9? You can tell orally also. Can you tell, children?
4 and 5.
5 and 4.
5 and 4 or 4 and 5. You are absolutely right, children. You are absolutely right. Those numbers are 5 and 4. But when you solve this one, you have to show some process, okay? That is process, you have to show it. Okay, this one? And according to this process, look here, we have to show this like this, look here. First of all, make table like this, okay? In one column, write the heading of the one column, write the m into n, okay? And heading of the another column, write the m plus n. M into n should come 20, m plus n should come there 9. Okay, children, this should be written here. And you, I am telling you to start. What is the number at 20? Product number is 20. That's why I suggest you to start from 20 only. 21 are 20 into 1 is 20. Yeah, bigger one. This one, the itself number itself we can start. Okay, that will be the best one. Okay, then 20 into 1 is 20. It is correct. But we have to check that same one because m value is what is here? Prajwal, what is the m value here in first column? 20 and n value is 1. And same thing apply in look at second column also. 20 plus 1. 20 plus 1 is not equals to 9. That's why it is false. 20 into 1 is 20, but 20 plus 1 is not equals to 9. That's why one side it is true and the side it is false. Okay, Celine? Then go to, yes please.
So that is root under or right.
This is ticked one, correct. Okay, true one, true. And next one, look here. Now 10 into 2. After 20 it will come now 10. 10 to the 20. It is true. Look here. 10 to the 20 or not? It is true.
Yes,
And
sir.
same thing you write in second one. 10 plus 2 is what there? 12. But that is not coming equals
12.
to 10 plus 2 is 12.
9.
12 is not equals to 9. That's why it is also false.
False.
Okay. Then let's go after 10. What is the next one? Factor of okay, 5. 5 for the
20.
20. It is true. 5 for the 20. It is true. But 5 plus 4 also what is here?
9.
9. Is this true or not?
Yes, sir. True.
Yes. Both of them are true here. That's why where both the conditions are true. Look here. Look here. This condition also becoming and this condition also becoming here true. Right? This is also true, here also true. Isn't it? Both of them are true. That's why we can write now what is the value of m. Value of m is 5 and value of n is 4.
4.
These are the two numbers whose sum is 9, whose sum is 9 and whose product is 20.
20.
Are you clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I am showing you the next example. Okay, you please take part in the activities. Okay, that activities one. Can you tell me, this is also one number. Here question is asking, there we have to tell the product of the two number is minus 15. Okay, this question I have taken from question number 3. Okay, the product is minus 15 and the sum is 2. Can you tell, children, it? Look here, I have shown 15 into minus 1, what will be there?
Minus 15.
Minus 15, you are absolutely right.
Minus 15.
And 15 and plus minus 1, this negative, that's why we have to put in bracket. 15 plus minus 1 means 15 minus 1 is what there? 14, which is not equals to 2. That's why it is false. False. Okay.
False.
Now look at second one, what is there? 5 into minus 3 is what there? Minus 15. After this 15 we take 5. Okay. 5 into minus 3 is minus 15 is true. And 5 plus minus 3, what will be there?
2.
2.
Yeah, it is true. It is true or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Now
sir.
look, we can take one more also example. 1 into minus 15, what will be?
Minus 15.
Minus 15.
Minus 15.
It is
Minus
true.
15.
But 1 plus minus 15 is what there? Minus 14. That is not equals to 2. That's why it is false. In which condition became both true?
So
In which?
5 and 3.
5 and minus 3. 5 and?
Minus 3.
Minus 3.
Yes, very good. 5 and minus 3. Okay, the son?
Okay, sir.
Ritik, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood it or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. I hope you are keeping the note also, all the exercise 1. Are you keeping the note?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, have you understood this question number 1? How to solve, how to find out the numbers given in the
Yes,
given
sir.
condition 1?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now look here, I am going to show some examples of question number 2 now. How to factorize, okay, in the given conditions. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
What is there? In this question, what is there given one? Tell. What is the question there? Look here. We have to see there in this one. This is side 1. Look here. This side 1, I have shown this one for the, easiness only. But it is not compulsory to show the side 1 while factorizing this question number 2. Okay, children? When you solve question number 2, we should not show this compulsory this side one. But if you show, okay, if you show there, it will be helpful for you. Okay, it will be helpful for you. You can do this, the rough work also is the side one. Okay. Question is asking, look here, to factorize this x square plus 5x plus 6. That in this question, what we have to do, look here, eh? What should we do? Okay. Look here. What is the coefficient of x square there?
1.
1. Good. Using coefficient of x square 1. What is the last term here?
6.
6. This 1 into 6, what is coming?
6.
6. Good. And 1 into 6, 6. Then what is at the middle one? What is the coefficient of middle one, Tom? What is the coefficient of x?
5.
5. Very good. Very good. You understood this? What we get after multiplying this coefficient of x square and last term 6 1, right? The product should come 6 and sum should come 5.
5.
Sum should come 5.
5.
Okay, children? In which one product is 6 and sum is 5 there? In which one?
3 and 2.
3 and 2. 3 and 2. You are absolutely right. You are absolutely right. You can understood? That means in place of 6, we have to write what? 3 into 2. In place of 6 we have to write,
3 into 2.
and in place of 5 what will you write, children? In place of 5,
3 plus 2.
3 plus 2. Very good. While factorizing, in place of 5 you write 3 plus 2. Okay, in place of 6 you write 3 into 5.
5.
Clear, children?
Yes, sir.
And what I told, at the side one, whatever rough this work is shown, if you want to show there, but it is not compulsory. Okay, children? Okay.
Sir.
Then now look, as I told you, in place of 5, what should we write?
3 plus 2.
3
3
plus 2.
plus 2. And in place of 6, we can write 3 into 2, or you can write 6 also.
Plus 2 or 3x plus 2x.
Okay, you can write 3x plus 2x also. Okay, but whatever you are telling, no, that will be in next step. When you remove the bracket, Nevisa, when you remove the bracket, at that time, when you remove the bracket, what is that same thing will be there? 3 will multiply with x, 3x, and 2 will multiply with x, 2x. Okay, children?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
And when you remove the bracket, it will be what? 3 into x, 3x, and plus into plus. Okay. When you remove the bracket, please don't forget to multiply this sign and this sign. Okay. Plus into plus,
Okay,
it will be plus here. Okay, children? Then what will be there?
Yes, sir.
When we look, when we have 4 terms, I have already taught you in first exercise, we have to make the group of 2 terms. These 2 terms are in one group, these 2 terms are in another group. And what is the common in first 2 group? Then
Sir?
what is common in first 2 terms?
3.
3 common first two terms. There is no 3 common.
Sir, X.
X is common. Good. X is common. Then what is remaining in the bracket?
Sir,
X plus 3. And what is common in this last two terms? In this 6 also there will be 2 into 3, no? 6 means also we have learned that 2 into 3. Right? Or 3 into 2. What is common in last two terms?
2.
2. Then what is remaining in the bracket?
X
X plus 3.
X plus 3. Good. Very good. Very good. Look here. Now, our factorization will be correct. Okay. If this remaining in the bracket and this remaining in the bracket must be what? Same.
Same.
They must be same. If they are same, then we should understand our factorization is correct. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Then
Okay, sir.
what is common there, children? What is common there?
X plus 3.
X plus 3
X plus
common.
3.
If you take x plus 3 common, what is remaining in another bracket? Remaining put in another bracket.
X plus 2.
2.
X plus 2. What is the sign here? Do you know, children? What is the sign here?
Multiply.
Yeah, multiply sign there. If there is no sign, there is multiply sign. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Are you clear, children, about this factorization?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Good. Look here. Now I am going to show you the next one example. See there. Can you tell, children, what is the coefficient of x square there?
1.
Coefficient of x square is 1. You are absolutely right. Coefficient of x square is 1. You are absolutely right. Here is 1. Right? 1 and 12 multiply. What will be? 12.
12.
Yes.
12.
Good. And our product must come 12. And what is the middle? What is the
7.
middle one? What is the middle one?
7.
7.
7. Sum should come 7. Product must come 12. And sum should come 7.
7.
Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Are you
Okay,
clear?
sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, here, I am going to show you here. First of all, this row of, look here. Minus 12 into minus 1. What is there?
Plus 12.
Plus 12. But minus 12 plus minus 1 is not equals to minus 7. Right? It is false. Minus 6 into minus 2 is what there? Plus 12. It is
Plus
true.
12.
Minus 6 and minus 2, if you add, what will be there? That minus 8, which is not equal to minus 7. Now last, what is there? Minus 4 and minus 3.
4 minus 3.
Plus 12 and minus 4 and plus minus 3 minus 7. Then we have to write here like this. Look here. Both are minus. That's why. Look here. What we did here? In place of 7, we wrote there minus 4 minus 3. Actually, this one, okay? When you remove this bracket, minus 4 minus 3. When you remove the bracket, it comes minus 4x minus 3x. Okay, so then, and
Okay,
12.
sir.
In this 12, can you tell, Sine, in this 12, what are there? In this 12, what are there? In this 12, minus 4, 1 minus 4, and there is what?
Minus 3.
Minus 3.
Minus 3. Good. You are absolutely right. In this 12, there are minus minus 4 and minus 3.
minus 4 and minus 3.
That's why when we take common here, look here, children, okay? When you take common here, minus 3. If you take minus 3, then what is remaining in brackets, children? What is remaining?
Minus
X
4.
minus 4.
Minus 4 is remaining. You are absolutely right. Minus 4 is remaining there. Look, what
and
are,
X?
look, remaining in the bracket are same or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then we have to take common. What is common there?
X minus 4.
If you take x minus 4 common, then what is remaining in the bracket?
X minus
X minus 3.
X minus 3. These two are the factor of this question. Understood, children?
So 2 will also be expressed in 4,
Sorry?
positive 4 and positive.
Nebisa, can you repeat that again?
Okay, so sir, you have said that 12 can be expressed in minus 4 and minus 3. It
Yes.
can also be expressed in plus 4 and plus 4 and plus 3.
Plus 4 and plus 3? No. Because that, look here, minus 4 and minus 3, their sum must come minus 7. No, that's okay. This should come.
Oh, okay, sir.
Their sum should come minus 7 and their product should come plus 12. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here, look here, I am giving next example. What is there? The product should come. Product should come. How much there?
24. Should come
24. Good. Product should come 24 because 1 into 24 is 24. And sum should come how much?
Minus
14.
Minus 14. Look, I have shown here minus 24 into minus 1. 24 and 24 minus 1 is not equal with what? Minus 25, that is 20, minus 20, this minus 25 is not equal with minus 14, right? That it is false. Right? Or not?
Yes.
This is not equal with what? Minus 14, that's why it is false. Minus 12 into minus 2 is 24 and minus 12 in plus minus 12, this is true, right? Then 8 into minus, look, minus 8 into minus 3, 24, minus 8 and minus 3 is minus 11, which is not true, that's false. That's why now when you solve this, look here, in place of 14, what is kept there? 12 plus 2, that means minus 12 PQ, and when you open the bracket, I told it will be multiplied here. Okay, minus into plus minus, look here come minus 12 and minus 2, right? And what will be now here? In this plus sign also, what will there, children, do you know? I have already shown here, minus 12 and minus 2. What will be here? Minus 12 into minus 12 into minus 2. That makes plus 24. Okay. Then if you take minus 2q common, what is remaining here? Minus remaining now here. In this plus sign, there are two minus. 12q is left. We have to know that, look at this remaining in the bracket and this remaining in the bracket must be same. P minus 12 cube, P minus 12 cube, okay? P minus 2 cube is remaining now. Are you clear, children?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now we are moving to the next one.
Do we need to rejoin?
No, our class is going to be completed. Today's one, okay? Okay, Celine.
Okay, sir.
Here is next example. Product must be how much?
6.
Minus 6. Product must be minus 6 and sum must be minus 5. What are they? What are they?
2 into minus 3.
3 into minus 3 and 2 and minus 3. When you add, what will come there?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. Good. But which one is correct here?
1 into minus
6. Minus 6 and 1 into 1 plus minus 6 minus 5. This is the correct one, no? Right? Okay, then we have to put there, look here, I am showing you one step more. It will be like this here. 6 and minus 1. Okay, minus 6 plus 1. Okay, and if you take common, then it will be left a minus 6 by b. Here also left plus 1 by b common, then a minus 6 by b. Then a minus 6 by b common, a plus 1 by b is left there. Okay, Celine?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
In place of 5 we have write 6 minus 1 in bracket. Okay. These are the questions for the assignment, okay?
Sir, homework for today.
Yeah, homework for today, and this I will keep in Google Class also. You have to answer in Google Classroom. Okay.
Okay, sir.
The same question I will put in Google Classroom also, homework. But you have to practice all the question of question number 1 and 2. Okay, student?
Okay, sir.
Practice the question of question number 1 and 2 both.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye bye,
Okay,
sir.
okay, bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye, sir.
Keep
Bye,
practicing.
sir.